How to password protect your external hard drive. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open File Explorer, go to this PC folder. Then after double click on the external hard drive. Once you do, you will see this menu. From this menu, simply choose on the option of Turn on BitLocker. This prompt will appear on your screen. Simply enter and re-enter your password and click on Next. After you have entered the password, now the hard drive has been fixed with a password. Now from this option you simply need to choose one to create a backup of your folder and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.